Welcome. In 60 seconds, I'll show how to withdraw from FanDuel to your bank account. Open the FanDuel app and tap your profile or wallet icon. Go to Cashier, then select Withdraw. If you haven't linked a bank, choose Add Bank or Link Account. Select Linking Method, instant via Plaid or manual with routing and account numbers. Verify your bank using instant verification or micro deposits. Wait for confirmation. Choose your linked bank account as the withdrawal destination. Enter the withdrawal amount and review any daily limits or holds. Pick transfer type, standard ACH or instant payout if available. Processing times, standard ACH usually 1 to 3 business days, sometimes up to 5. Fees and security, ACH is usually free. Instant payouts may charge a small fee. Enable two-factor authentication for safety. Tap Confirm, check your email for a receipt, and review account settings to manage payment methods.